Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for DIY and tools business, easy and quick. So first of all, type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, and also you can create a website here. You can easy to edit website templates, no coding needed, full commerce and marketing features to run your business online, free trial and no credit card required. So let's see templates from here. So here you can choose the type of your business here, and also you can choose the topic. And if the topic is not here, you can build your own template. So for example, you can choose online store, memberships, courses, services, scheduling, portfolio, whatever you want. So that's it. You can select one of these templates from here, or if you wanna create your own template. So let's go with this. Let's get started. So here you can add the site name, type any name you want for DIY and tools business. So let's continue. Here you can build your home page. So you can choose the intro section first. Here choose the product section. Now you can choose the services section and about section, the social section, and the form section, and the last, the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. Here you can choose the color theme of your home page, and you can choose here the font. So after this, let's finish. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can, if you choose if you wanna continue or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. You can continue and describe more your website or whatever. So this is your homepage right now. Here the views, you can make it like a desktop view like this, and also you can change it like a mobile view. I'm gonna keep it just desktop view. Now let's move on to the site size. So here first we have the fonts. You can edit the fonts, you can switch the fonts back, you can edit the base size. Here you can edit the headings and the paragraphs, the buttons. You can also reset the fonts back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes, choose any color. For example, I'm gonna go with this. So here you can it is the color theme of the site title and the navigation links. Just click on it like this and you can custom the color. Also the site wide, you can edit the section background and the background overlay. Just click on it like this, you can change the color from here. The section divider stroke, the inset border, and the heading, the paragraph, the text highlights, so whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next here, the animations. So you can edit the style of these animations. You can set none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex. Here you can edit the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the spacing. You can change here the page width. You can edit it. You can edit the site margin. Also here you can reset the site the styles to default. So let's get back. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons, the text and the shape and the outline. You can apply to all buttons type. Just click on it and click here apply. You can reset the button styles. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. So here you can edit the text alignment and the content width, the title separation, and the button separation, the content position, the text alignment, the image width, and the image separation, so whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's close this. So here you can design your site from here. So first here we have the site header. You can change it. You can edit the site title and the logo. You can change the site title from here. You can add the logo image uh, from your library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button, and you can change the text on the label. You can add the link here. Here you can edit the social links. You can edit the social icon size. You can turn this on, the language switch. Here you can turn this on the cart. You can change this style icon, and also you can change the border. You can show 0 in cards. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here, whatever you want, as you like. So that's it. Here you can edit the text. Just click on it. You can duplicate it from here. You can delete it, and you can edit it and customize the form of the text. You can change it. So that's it. You can put it at any place you want. Just hold on it like this, and you can drag it. You can edit the button primary, the button type, and you can duplicate it from here. You can delete it, and you can edit the text on it from here. So that's it. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. You can if you want to save the section, just click here on this heart icon, and it will be saved. You can move it up or move it down. You can edit it from here. You can edit the grid and the section. You can turn this on the full screen, the height, and the alignments. Also the background. You can change the background theme. So here you can edit the colors. So that's it. So if you want to add something on your home page, just click here, add block, and you can add the text or image or video or button or audio, whatever you want. So now let's move on to the next section. So first let's delete this, and you can add an image from here, from free image. First put it here. For example, you can search here on the free image, DIY and tools, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can make it a little bit larger. You can add another image here. Just click here. You can add a video or image. So click on it like this. You can select it from your library. So for example, let's search here, DIY and tools. So I'm gonna choose this time. So that's it. You can duplicate it from here. You can add another one here as you like. So here you can edit the text and the button here. So that's it. Here you can edit the accordion. Just click on it like this, and you can click here, and you can edit. You can add item. You can edit the design, the title, and the description. You can turn this on, expand first item, and you can allow multiple open item. So that's it. After you're done from designing websites, and after you add the image, and after you design and customize your price and add your products, and after you choose the way to get paid, now you can just save this, and you can publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's it, how to customize on Squarespace for DIY and tools business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.